Good morning, puppy. Hello. Hi. How many days have I been vlogging for now? Oh my god, look at this mess. Look at all these chairs. Just gone out to buy the morning teas. Sometimes I like to buy two instead of breakfast. Just like a little morning ritual I have. Thank you. I got breakfast as well today. Whoops.
What are you building?
Today?
No.
Nothing. I was just looking through the folders.
Hanover's it.
Morning. What's good?
Huh?
What's good?
What's good?
What's good?
Our anchor has gone for an ash worktop
Good.
and inset sink.
Good.
Changed my job.
You changed your job on LinkedIn. Now you work here. Nobody pays attention to my LinkedIn.
I just feel like but I'm thinking, like, what's even the point of changing it? Like, does anyone even care? Facebook group research. Make a reel for Josh. Is that okay?
Yeah. What else? I want you to do 15 tasks today.
You joking?
That's 2 per hour. Nah, I'm joking. Go and chill on the sofa. Bye. We have the most professional business meetings at this place. We're making more giant blue boxes today. Like these. Let's see what you're working on there, bud. Should we show everybody in the vlog? Should we put this straight into the vlog, shall we? Mm-hmm. Okay. That's a new reel for the Valcomatic page on Instagram.
I like it.
All right. You ready for lunch?
Let's have a look at this.
Yes.
What have you got? Oh, what are you doing? Why are you hiding from me?
More passion. More passion.
What you doing all the way over there?
Lounging.
You've had some successful social media posts today, haven't you? It's been good. See you later.
See y'all.
Ciao.
It's time to close the shop down for the day. It's been pretty productive. We've got a very blue kitchen being formulated right here. I think we're going to Bath. Why are we going to Bath?
Because it's date night.
It's date night.
Yeah.
Is that why we're going to Bath? Okay. Since I started this vlog, everybody's trying to persuade me to do stuff, and they say, it'll be good content for the vlog. You're guilty. My friends are guilty. You said this date night would be good content for the vlog.
It will be.
Go on, twist my arm. Ah!
I've got an idea. I hope you like it.
Oh, go on.
You know that pizza place?
Which one?
The one in Green Park?
Yes.
We could order a pizza.
Oh, could
Like,
we?
click and collect, and then eat it in the park. Maybe.
Maybe.
Cheaper than your idea.
Don't know. It's hard, you know, when you're not hungry, it's really hard to think about food, so I can't really give you an answer.
I'm not even that hungry right now, but...
So why don't we just walk around and figure it out? But I like the idea in principle. That's
Well, I
good.
think it takes... I mean, I just checked the timings, and it's like 20 minutes to order. Hello. Hey. Oh. Gets up and see it. Hello.
Every night that guy walks that cute little Yorkie thing past our house, and it's always super friendly and it wants to attack in a friendly way. We're all washed up now, we're going to Bath for date night. I'm not sure that we're on the same page about what we want to do tonight.
I'm just trying to not spend as much money.
I'm gonna leave the big camera here. Maybe I'll just take the little one. Yeah, okay, let's go to dinner.
They're very warm.
You trying to behave like you don't know me? Cheers. Dinner was good. I'm ending the vlog now.
Good night.
You ending the vlog?
I'm ending it.
We're ending it.